Ever wondered about the true cost of entering the world of decentralized finance? We're often told that crypto is all about freedom and accessibility, but what about the tools you need to navigate it? Specifically, what is the price of a Bifrost wallet? Is it a one-time purchase, a subscription, or something else entirely? Today, we're diving deep into the economics of the Bifrost wallet, a popular choice for managing various cryptocurrencies, particularly those within the Flare and Songbird ecosystems. Understanding the cost associated with any crypto tool is crucial for making informed decisions, especially in a space where hidden fees can sometimes catch you off guard. So, let's break down what you can expect when it comes to the price of using Bifrost Wallet. First things first, let's address the most straightforward aspect, the wallet application itself. The Bifrost Wallet, like many reputable cryptocurrency wallets, is generally free to download and install. You can find it on popular app stores like Google Play and the Apple App Store, and there's no upfront fee to get the application onto your device. This is a common model in the crypto wallet space, as the goal is often to encourage adoption and provide an accessible entry point for users. However, free to download doesn't necessarily mean free to use in every single instance. While the wallet software itself doesn't cost anything, you'll encounter fees that are inherent to the blockchain networks you're interacting with. These are often referred to as network fees or gas fees. When you send cryptocurrencies, interact with smart contracts, or perform any transaction on a blockchain through your Bifrost wallet, you'll be paying a small fee to the network validators or miners who process and secure those transactions. It's important to understand that these network fees are not charged by Bifrost Wallet. They are a fundamental part of how decentralized blockchain networks operate. The amount of these fees can fluctuate significantly based on network congestion and the specific blockchain you're using. For example, transacting on the Ethereum network generally incurs higher gas fees than, say, the XRP ledger, which Bifrost Wallet also supports. The Bifrost Wallet is designed to display these network fees transparently before you confirm a transaction, so you'll always know what you're paying. Beyond network fees, some wallets or integrated services might introduce their own transaction fees or commissions for certain actions. Does Bifrost Wallet do this? The good news is that Bifrost Wallet is known for its commitment to zero added fees when it comes to core wallet functionalities like sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. They emphasize making the XRP ledger a core focus with no additional charges. This means the costs you incur are primarily the underlying network fees. Where you might encounter additional costs, though, is if you utilize certain integrated services within the Bifrost Wallet. For instance, if you decide to buy crypto directly within the app using fiat currency through an on-ramp provider, that provider will likely charge their own fees for the conversion and transaction. Similarly, if the wallet integrates with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, or other DeFi protocols, those platforms will have their own fee structures. Bifrost Wallet acts as an interface, connecting you to these services, but it typically doesn't add its own layer of fees on top of theirs for these specific integrations. In essence, the price of Bifrost Wallet isn't a fixed dollar amount you pay for the app itself. It's more about the operational costs of interacting with blockchain networks and any optional third-party services you choose to use through the wallet's interface. The wallet itself serves as your free portal to the decentralized world. So, the Bifrost Wallet application is free to download and use. Any costs you encounter will be network fees for blockchain transactions and potential fees from third-party services you choose to utilize within or through the wallet. Transparency around these fees is a key feature of the Bifrost Wallet experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.